Hey everybody, Rich here at Torus CNC. It's been a bit since I've done a video, and I think I've got a pretty good reason to do another one. What you're looking at here is the new 3x79 grinder that I've been working on for a little bit. It's got some changes and upgrades from my previous 2x72. I guess I'll first start off by pointing out the motor plate is now 3/8 thick 304 stainless steel, as well as these base pieces are 304 stainless steel 3/8 thick as well. So then we move on, you got your tracking wheel, 4-inch diameter, 3¼ inch wide tracking wheel. Got your 7-inch by 3¼ inch drive wheel, both solid aluminum. You've got your 3-inch wide by 3-inch diameter rubber wheels up top and below. And you've got the adjustable table here, which is overall 6-inch deep. Obviously it's a little less right here, but 16 inches wide. It's got plenty of adjustability going on there. Let me see here. You got this here, you can raise it up. I don't know if that's still in view. Yeah, it is. Alright. So, now you got your 3-inch wide flat platen. Still have regular 1.5-inch toolbars, so you can accessorize with other things. If you've got different attachments that you can come up with on your own or from another manufacturer, they should work with some possible minor modifications that you might have to make here and there, but it still accepts that 1.5-inch tool bar. It's got the function to tilt in either direction. So you got this. Let me try and get out of the way here. So now you tilt it down. Obviously your table is now not in the right configuration, so you can pull that guy out. Put it back in. And then loosen this up. Now rotate that guy around. Put it back in. And this is got a slot here. It'll adjust, and then you just got the adjustable handle down beneath. So now you've got your table set up for horizontal grinding. So yeah, that's pretty much that's what you'll be getting as part of the package if you order one.